Alright guys, now we're on Railroad Street. Can you believe it? We're almost done. We only have one more to go after this one, and then we're done with Kimberly and Combined Locks. Anyways, here are the signals. We have a pair of signal masses, and then on this signal here we have a Safetran mechanical bell, which I thought this one was a Rayco, but I was wrong. And here's the signal base, which it's an old MI, which is Modern Industries. Here's the relay case right over there. That is an old relay case too, because you don't see them too much with a roof like that. One traffic clears and go right across to the R signal. And while we're waiting, and as you can see, they use a wooden crossing grate. Alright, let's go across quick. Alright, and then on the R signal, we got ourselves a few Safetran lights, I do believe these are. Yep. See it right up there. If you can't see it, forgive me. Next little store. And there's the dot tag, which is 179988N. And this crossing, or this signal here doesn't have the bell, and the crossbuck looks like it needs some work. And finally, here's the signal base, which is Modern Industries. Those you don't see too often. I didn't think we had any of those left around here. But anyways, that's pretty much the Railroad Street crossing. I forgot track views, which I'll get that to you right now. Here's facing east. This is where we were before. This was John Street down there. And then way down is County N. And that way, the old switch yard, which they use to switch once in a while, goes west toward Marcella, which is what we're headed to now. And I want to show you guys something really old here. Probably could see it already. Check it out. No trespassing. Property of the FRVR, the Fox River Valley Railroad. That you don't see ever. This is the only crossing left that has that. And let me tell you, there used to be a lot of tracks over here, but CN since then ripped them out. As you could see, we got some old crossing ties and railroads over there, or rails rather, my bad. And they got an old switcher. They got an old switch down there. See that? I'm not allowed to go back there because that's railroad property, but anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this crossing, and I can show you something down there quick, which I'll stop recording and then I'll show you guys. Alright, I'll see y'all in a little bit. Alright guys, as you can see, this is the thing I want to show you. As you can see, they got an old cantilever that's right here that's getting ready to get recycled. I think these are old 8-inch signals. You don't see these ever anymore. And as you can see, it got pretty well torn out. I think the CN is planning on taking this out if we can get around there, but let's just make this quick. All of the crossbucks really faded. Yeah, these are old 8-inch incandescents. These are old Safetran 8-inch lights. Yeah, as you can see, the crossbuck's really faded. Yeah, this has been here for a long time. I'm surprised that CN didn't take this for their own use. But anyway, that was the thing I wanted to show you guys. I hope you enjoyed the Railroad Street crossing tour. I know this is off topic, but anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. See you all on Marcella Street.